Good morning, children. Yesterday we discussed about the perimeter and area related terminologies. What is the meaning of perimeter? What is the meaning of area? How do we calculate perimeter and area? And we discussed two important figures in this chapter, rectangle and square. Today we will find the formulae related to them. What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle, formula for perimeter of a square, area of a rectangle, area of a square, how to find diagonal. Let's see the class. Okay, first thing that is very important, that we have already studied about the properties of rectangle and square and everything. Let's find their areas, the perimeter using the formulas. First, I'll draw the figure for rectangle. Are we clear? This is A, B, C, D, a rectangle. Length, then opposite sides equal. If it's breadth, it must be breadth, opposite sides equal. Each angle 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Are we clear? Now let's see the formula of perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? So perimeter of rectangle, what do you mean by perimeter? Move along the boundary. I told you yesterday, climb the figure. Okay, we reached one point. Climb the figure and start walking. Okay, reached point B, reached point C, reached point D, and finally reached point A. Yes, this is what the perimeter is. Hence, what will be the formula? Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. This is what is happening. Now, how many times length is coming? Length plus length is 2 length. Breadth plus breadth is 2 breadths. Can I take 2 common? If I take 2 common, length plus breadth. This is what is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Twice the length plus breadth. Are we clear? Twice the length plus breadth is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Clear with this? Next we are having area. Let's see how to calculate the area. Let's see area. Area of a rectangle. I told you, for example, this is breadth, this is length and breadth. Clear? Keep on holding this for a while. For example, assume this is here only. Now I'll try to cover up with some other factor like this. What happened? Like this. Don't you think I enclosed the complete figure? Earlier it was this, now it is this. Close from all these. How? What do you mean by closing? Closing means enclose, space enclose. Space enclose means area. Hence, what are the two things that are making area? That is length and breadth. Length and breadth. Hence, what is the area of rectangle? That is length into breadth. That is length into breadth. Any doubt anyone is having? So, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Do remember, because these two are making the complete figure, and the space enclosed is what? Area only. Are we clear? Next, we are having diagonal. Okay, if I talk about this is diagonal, the longest side in the figure. How to find diagonal? What do you see? You see a triangle, you see 90 degree. The moment you see 90 degree triangle, which theorem we apply? Yes, it's Pythagoras theorem. So if I apply Pythagoras theorem, can I say, okay, can I say here only I am doing length square means base square plus perpendicular square means breadth square is equal to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse, you know, here is diagonal. Diagonal is in the case of rectangle, but in case of triangle we call it as hypotenuse. Yes. So what is the formula of diagonal? Diagonal is equal to what? Under root. Here square, there it will be under root. So formula of diagonal is length square plus breadth square under root. We call it as under root. Hence, this is the formula of diagonal. Are we clear? Any doubt with the formulas? Let's move on to square. Let's move on to square immediately. Square. Square, a special type of rectangle whose all sides are equal. Therefore, if it is A, this is also A, this is also A, this is also A. Parameter. Parameter of a square. Move along the side. Climb a point. Start moving. Reach B. Reach C. Reach D. Finally reach A. It means A plus A plus A plus A. A plus A plus A is 4A. A is side, that is why 4 into side is the formula of parameter of a square. Are we clear? Parameter of a square is 4 into side. Next, area. If area of rectangle is length into breadth, side into side, obviously side into side is the area of square, that is side square. Are we clear? Diagonal. Let's take the example of diagonal. Diagonal from this side. So let's take diagonal. Same. Length square plus breadth square. That is, length is also equal to side. Breadth is also equal to side. So it will become side square means 2 side square. Here under root, here 2 it will come out. Therefore, under root 2 into side is the formula of diagonal. How you can find the diagonal? Under root 2 into side. Are we clear? Let's have a question. For example, find the diagonal of a square. Find the diagonal of a square whose edge is 9 centimeter. So what we will do? Edge means side. Side we know. So what is the value of diagonal? Can I say directly? Diagonal formula is under root 2 into side. So what is side? Under root 2 into 9. So can I write 9 under root 2 centimeter is the length of our diagonal. Are we clear? This is how we will do the questions. Clear? Now immediately move on to exercise 11.1 after this. 11.1 after this. Let's start. The first question is, the length and a breadth of a rectangular path is given, whose length is 500 meter and whose breadth is 300 meter. We have to find the area of that rectangular plot. Secondly, the cost of 1 meter square is 10,000 rupees. We have to find the cost of that rectangular plot. Are we clear with the question? Exercise 11.1. Question number 1. Very important, do remember what we have to do. We have to draw the figures. That is very important. Figures are very important. It will really help. You need not to see the question again and again. Draw the figure. Mention the dimensions, you'll get the answer. Length is 500 meter, breadth is 300 meter. So, first we have to find the area of this rectangular plot. What is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Yes or no? Length into breadth. Yes? So, what is length? 500. What is breadth? 300. What will be getting? I hope meter square. So we'll be getting 1,50,000 meters square is the area of the given plot. Any doubt? Now we have to find the cost. It is given in the second point. Cost of 1 meter square of land is rupees 10,000. So what will be the cost? Unitary method. If 1 rupee cost is this, what will be the cost of this? We'll multiply. Yes. Cost of 1,50,000 meter square of land is rupees 10,000 into 1,50,000. If you solve, you'll be getting 2, 3, 1, 2, It is something like that. Wait, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got the 9. Wait, let me write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what is the cost. Approx means 1,050 crores is the answer. We went to the international. Okay? Clear with this? Clear with this answer? Anyone with the doubt? Question number 2. Find the area of a rectangular park, a square park whose perimeter is 320. Question number 2. Perimeter of square park is given 320. So, for the area of a square, what do we need? Side means edge, but edge is not given. But perimeter is given. So, we make use of perimeter to find the edge, and then after finding edge, what we will do? We'll find the area. Okay. So, perimeter of a square is, I think 320 has given meter. So, what is the formula? 4 into side is equal to 320. Here multiply, there divide, because it's a linear equation, one variable. We'll solve. Side is 80 meter. 80 meter, 80 meter, 80 meter, 80 meter. What we have to do? We have to find the area. What is the area of square? Area of square is what? Side into side. Side into side means side square. That is 80 into 80 will be getting 6400 meter square is the area. Are we clear? 6400 meter square is the area. Any doubt with this question? Question number 3. Please draw the figures along with the question. It will really help you. You need not to see the question again and again. Just write it, mention the dimension of the figure, and you'll be able to see the question. You can solve the question very clearly. It saves you a lot of time. Question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of a land if its area is 440 meter square and length is 22 meter square. Okay. Question number 3. Again, we are having a rectangular plot or a rectangular park. It is given that length is 22 meter. It means this is also 22 meter, and area is 440 meter square. It means what is left? What we have to find? Of course, breadth. Let the breadth be x. So we can say let the breadth be b meter. According to the question, area is given. Area of a rectangle, its length into breadth. Clear? Area is already given 440. Length is already given 22. Breadth is b. Linear equation, one variable. Here multiply. There divide. B is equal to 440 upon 22. On solving, I will be getting 20. It means breadth is 20 meter. 20 meter. 20 meter. We have to find the parameter. So parameter of this park, parameter of a rectangular plot or park, I think it's park in this question, so park is apply the formula. Please do write the formulas. Length plus breadth. Yes. So twice. What is length? 22. Breadth we have already found, that is 20. Solve the bracket. 22 plus 20, that's 44. Multiplied, we will be getting what? Not 44, sorry, 42. So 24 to 42 into 2, it's 84 meter. Clear with the question? Very easy question. Simple, this chapter is very easy. Apply the formulas, get the answer, put the values, get the answer. Question number 4. The perimeter of a rectangular plot is this, 100 meter. And find its length. Length is 35 centimeter. Find its breadth, also find its area. Almost opposite of this. So can we do it? Even question number 7 is also same. Question number 4 and 7 are based on this question. So try question number 4 and 7. They are of same type. Are we clear? Next, question number 5. The area of square park is same as rectangular park. If the side of a square park is 60 meter and the length of a rectangular park is 90 centimeter, find the breadth of rectangular park. Okay, let's see the question. I hope they have given the same units. Yes, they have given the same units. Let's see. Question number 4. He's saying that the area of rectangular plot and the area of square park means both are same. Let's see the figure first, which is very important. Let's draw the figure because it will really help you. A, B, C, D. Square park. It's E, F, G, H. Their areas are same. Areas are same means these are same. Yes or not? Area same. Clear? Now he has given that the length of this is 90 centimeter. What is given? Meter. And this is 60 meter. If this is 60 meter, this is also 60 meter because square has all sides equal. Similarly, this is 90, this is 90. It means breadth we don't know, we have to find it. But what is the condition? He has said that area of rectangular park is equal to area of a square park. Apply the formula. The area of rectangular park means length into breadth, and area of square means side into side. Yes or no? Side into side. Let's see. Length is already given 90. Breadth we don't know. And side is already given 60 into 60. What is 60 into 60? That is 3600. Again, linear equation in one variable. Here multiply that. Divide. 0, 0 cancel. 9, 4. So what is breadth? Breadth is 40 meter. This is what the question is. This is 40 meter. This is 40 meter. Can you find the parameter? Parameter 2, length plus breadth. 40 plus 90 is 130. 130 into 2 is 260 meter is the parameter of this. What is the parameter formula for square? 4 into side. What is side? 60. 4 into 60 is 240 meter. Can you see one thing? Areas are same, but parameters are different. Yes, because the shapes are different. No? Shapes are different. If shapes are different, it is not necessary that everything will be same. No. If areas are same, it is not necessary parameter will be same. No way. Even if parameters are same, it is not necessary that areas will be same. Vice versa is not true. We cannot conclude that if areas are same, it is necessary that parameter will be same. If parameters are same, it is necessary that areas will be same. It is not the necessary condition. It may be possible, but we cannot even jump to the conclusion, yes, it will happen. As in case, because rectangular being the broader, parameter is greater. Are we clear? Last question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Let's see the question number 6. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.